Ever spotted something stylish but didn't know how to find more ideas about it? With the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can use Bixby Vision Discover to instantly explore inspiration. To do so, open Camera app, tap More, then select the Bixby Vision icon. At the bottom, make sure you are in the Discover section. Now, let's try it with a watch. Point your camera at the watch. Tap shutter button. And Bixby will search Pinterest to show you similar watch style and ideas. Given to the function, this is super handy when you see accessories like a watch, bracelet, or sneakers and want to discover more style instantly. With Bixby Vision Discover on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, your camera becomes more than just a camera. It's your personal inspiration finder. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.